Are you filming me?
Maybe.
Yeah, guys, I definitely wouldn't screw anybody up on an overpriced trailer to get a bigger trailer. Okay guys, so as you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to be working on the $500 trailer. Today we bought wheel wells for it, so we're going to get those suckers mounted up and welded on and painted hopefully. But yeah, as you can see right there behind Allan, we got one of the four-wheelers we got in our last episode, along with the other one sitting right there. And the next video that we're working on is that, and we've already got a decent amount filmed, so definitely stay tuned for those too, and subscribe so you don't miss out on those. But let's get right into this video of working on the $500 trailer. Okay guys, jumping right into this, Allan has the grinder right over there, and he's gonna start grinding down the paint where we're gonna be welding the fender flares on. So here are the fender flares we got from Farm and Fleet. They got nice backings to them, and they're like $58 each, which isn't bad. And yeah, let's get to working on this trailer.
What are you doing there, bud?
I'm clamping her down.
Yep.
Make sure she's straight.
We got it all grinded up now. And then I got the other side done too. Can't really see it, but yeah. Now it's just time to weld.
Yup.
Alright. Well, we'll cut to me welding or Justin welding, whoever's welding. Alright. See ya.
Okay guys, hopefully there's no wind noise, but if there is, I apologize. But Allan's in the garage right over there. We just got finished up welding. This is Allan's side.
Hey, it's been a minute. I'm rusty.
Yeah, plus the welder is not the greatest since it doesn't have gas on it. We need to put a gas hookup on it because it is capable of that. And then here's this side.
But I am.
This is my side.
I am proud of this one and this one.
Yeah, he kind of welded on my side a little bit, and he did 2 decent welds, which is good. And yeah, we got the fenders welded on. Oh, the wind noise is probably pretty bad right now. There's a breeze. I'm blocking the wind.
Yeah.
I'm blocking the wind.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're moving on to jacking up the trailer to remove the tires so we can paint. We got our primer and our gloss black paint. So yeah.
You can see where
We really need to get like a mic on this camera so it doesn't pick up on wind noise.
Yeah, we probably should invest in that.
Yep.
But do we turn up?
Yeah. We should.
We should.
So yeah, look at that. Look at these fender flares, dude. Wheel wells. They look good.
So what are you getting ready to do there, bud?
I'm getting ready to primer this wheel well.
Perfect time to paint.
Yep.
So we just got this side primered, so let's get ready to do the other one.
Yep.
We got it all primed, and now we're getting it painted.
Yep.
It's kind of satisfying watching it go all along.
Sticking with that one coat strategy. You ready? The satisfying part. Good thing we got an extra paint can. Let's go get that sucker and then we'll finish this up.
Only you can smell through the camera.
We got our carburetor soaking in vinegar and a little bit of root beer now. Is there any primer left? Nah.
Alright, Bubs.
Okay guys, so we finished the wheel wells.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Look pretty good.
Yeah. Here, come into the garage where there's no wind. Okay guys, so I did not do a good job of showing you the finished result of the wheel wells on the trailer, so I'm here at the marathon where the good lighting is to show you guys the finished results of the trailer with the wheel wells. So here she is. Got the new wheel wells on, got them primered and painted and everything. There's music at the gas pump, don't mind that, but yeah. Looks super nice. Then as we come around to this side, as you can tell, we got the wheel well on this side, all looking nice and spiffy. And so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and cut back to the last clip. Okay, so many of you may be asking, when's the next video coming out with these suckers? It'll be out shortly. We gotta do a little bit more work so we actually accomplish something during the video. And then the Mustang videos, those are kind of been pushed back right now because the person's house that the Mustang's at has COVID, so can't go over there. So just patiently wait for those videos. We'll get back on them right away once we can. And yeah, until then we're gonna still be working on these four-wheelers and that trailer over there. So yeah.
Focus. Yep. Alright.
Subscribe if you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.